It's 10:20. I got the hiccup again. They say you get hiccups because you swallow too much air. That's interesting. You must be looking for something. They're looking for something. Oh, no, they're taking a dog a walk. Okay, they're taking a dog a walk. Okay. Okay. Mystery solved.